And let's look at concentration. When you want to look at the effect of concentration, let's say, for instance, you are reacting with A plus B to give us C plus D. I will use this concept now to explain the effect of what? Concentration. I know most people find it difficult to determine when you are asked what is the effect of concentration on the above chemical word equation. The first thing that comes to your mind, increase in concentration of all the reactants, not one of the reactants, of all the reactants. When you increase the concentration, more of the product will be what? Will be formed, which means the equilibrium will shift to the what? To the right, which means forward reaction will be favored, because the more you increase the reactant, the more product will be what? Will be formed. So the equilibrium will be shifting to the what? To the right side of the word of the equation. Let's say, for instance, you are in an industry where, let's say, for instance, you are producing ammonia. Maybe you want to produce ammonia as what? As a product. That's what you deal on. You sell ammonia. Maybe you are reacting your reacting, especially a nitrogen and what? Hydrogen and hydrogen. The more you increase the concentration of nitrogen and hydrogen, more of ammonia will be what? Will be produced. Which means as ammonia is being formed, as the equilibrium is being shifted to the right answer of the equation, more ammonia is being formed. You are removing the ammonia. You are removing the ammonia. The more you are removing the ammonia, the more the ammonia is being produced, because what? There's an increase in the concentration of the reacting what? Species. Do you understand it? Explanation on the effect of what? Concentration. Now, if you want the reaction to shift to the left hand side of the equation, which means if, for instance, two product is formed, which means two different product is formed, a reacting species react to give us two different products. Maybe one of them is gas and one of them is solid. For the equilibrium to shift to the back side of the reaction, for the equilibrium to the shift to the backward reaction, which means one of the products, the concentration of one of the product will be what? Will be increased. As you increase the concentration of the one of the product, the equilibrium will shift to the backward side of the reaction, which means more of the reactant will be what? Will be produced. That is for the effect of what? Concentration. Applicable in the industry. But for now, this is what I want you to know about chemical word equilibriums.